Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Ecuador. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link, you will get $10 for free of Bitcoin. You get your first name, last name, email, password, and then you're going to be here home at Coinbase. In Coinbase, you just want to simply click Bitcoin, and you just want to write here how much you want to buy. You can preview the buy, and then you can simply buy it with your bank account, with your card, and you can add a payment method. Then you can also sell it. Quite simple, quite easy. And when you're going to do it, you can also withdraw the money if you're going to sell the Bitcoin. Again, really easy. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.